The operating context is the starting point for any RCM analysis. Just like the project charter provides the background of a project, the operating context sets the scene and background for reliability-centered maintenance. So let's dig a little bit deeper into what this means, all in just 2 minutes. According to John Mowbray in his book RCM2, he states that RCM is a process used to determine the maintenance requirements for any physical asset in its operating context. So think of the operating context as the definition of the functions and the strategy. You need a really clear understanding before you start. The operating context affects the functions and performance expectations. Everyone needs to start on the same baseline. It also affects the failure modes, effects, and consequences that I spoke about in previous videos and how we're going to manage each of those. Think of it as a description to set the scene. It would include things like safety hazards, quality standards, environmental standards, performance standards. Is it a continuous flow or a batch process? How often does it run? Every day of the week or just sometimes? How is it maintained? Is there redundancy in the design? What are the shift patterns? How long would it take to repair? Do you have spare parts? What about market demand? What about raw materials, energy prices? The list can go on and on. This all then gets captured into a document so that everyone fully understands the context before we begin. That's the operating context. So if you'd like to learn more about the RCM process, check out some of the previous videos over the last few weeks as part of this step-by-step RCM series. Thanks for watching and see you next time.